Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on the time you are watching this. So, this video is just a video to guide us on how to use Chat GPT to better our advantage as an agent of your Exim bank. I would like us to put it behind at the back of our mind. I'd like us to put it at the back of our mind that you can use Chat GPT for anything that you want to ask, and it will certainly give you can use it for any topic. So very quickly now, I'll head over to my applications and show you. Here I have AI chat and I also have Chat GPT. You can always get them on your Android or iOS store respectively. So whichever, we have a lot of variety of them. So but the ones I'm going to be testing for the purpose of this video is the AI chat and the Chat GPT itself. So but before then, I'll go to some of the prompts that I've pre-written down that I'll be asking Chat GPT. Here is my notepad here. I'll open my notepad, and the first topic here is Chat GPT prompts for trade finance. So these are some of the prompts that I have generated that I'll just copy and paste on ChatGPT for answer. The first one says, I'm a trade finance specialist at your Exim bank. A customer has shown interest in opening an offshore trading account. Give me a mail to write to him. So I just copy this, then go to my Chat GPT or AI chat, whichever one I want to use. I will just open and say hello. So when you say hello, you have awoken the GPT. It's not as if you cannot drop the question immediately, but you need to type hello so that you awoken the GPT. Then I'll come here like this and paste and send. Bam. That GPT begin to generate answers. So you said, dear customer, here you put the customer. I hope this email, my name is, you put your name, and I'm a trade finance specialist at your Exim bank. I understand that you are interested in opening an offshore trading account and would like to offer my assistance to guide you through the process. So see, blah 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 blah. So this is best regards. So what you do here is that ChatGPT has already done the bulk of the work for you. You just long press, you copy it, then you come to your notepad. Here, you edit it. You don't just let me go back here, then press on new, then I'll press this one. So now this is where I will begin to do my own editing. So you don't just pick what ChatGPT give you, hook, line and sinker, and begin to write and begin to send it to a customer, because so here now, where your name is here, you put your name there. My own name is Festus. I put Festus at ABC. Then I remove the bracket. So here I will this will be the subject of the mail. There, let's say the customer's name is Christopher Bolus. Then you come here, you clear all these ones here. clear all the this subject. You also clear it. This will be the body. This subject, you can copy it and paste it somewhere else, so that when you need it in your body of the mail, you put the subject there. So you put your name here. I'm putting my own name. Every places that you need to edit, you will say you should mention the specific benefit and etc. If you have not, so you need to proofread. That's what I'm trying to say basically here. You need to proofread whatever ChatGPT give to you and add a touch of your own human aspect, so that the people you are sending it to will not be able to decipher whether you copy it from ChatGPT. So that is that about that. Let me give the same prompt to the second uh, the AI chat, so that you see what it will also generate. So this is another GPT. So chat now. I'll press I, so that I will open the, so it will type, how can I help you? I paste. I look for I also send it. It will type and bring its own. You also copy. So the reason for this, for using these two chat GPT prompt, is that they answered in they have different answers. So you go for the ones that appeal to you the most. So you will just look at what this one, right? I think this one is a bit bulkier than what the normal chat GPT gave to me. I thought this message find you well. I'm writing to express our enthusiasm for the opportunity to support your offshore trading activities through the opening of a trading account with your Exim bank. So blah 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 blah. So this one too, you have to put your name. So the reason why it's putting your Exim bank is because I've already instructed in my prompt that I see my prompt here, that I work as a trade finance for this is another one for a bank. If it's for a bank, it will not put your Exim. It will just put, it will ask you to put the bank name. So but because I put your Exim bank, that is why it's no longer asking me it's not putting the bank's name there. So that is that about that. You can literally ask ChatGPT anything. So let me quickly head over to some of the prompts that I have already uh, generated. So see, this is, I work as a trade finance specialist for a bank, and I have a lead that has shown interest for bank guarantee. Give me a mail to write to send to the client. Which is the best to offer an exporter in Nigeria? Letter of credit, standby letter of credit, or an escrow account? If you copy this prompt and send it to ChatGPT to give you an answer. This is, I got a positive response from, let me copy this and let's see the kind of mail it will generate. So I got a positive response from one of the Nigerian military exporter, and I'm scheduled to have a meeting with him. Write me an email to offer him some of our services in trade finance, covering letter of credit, standby letter of credit, and escrow account. Let me copy it. Then, what is a pro forma invoice? What does raising bond to finance project mean? You can literally ask ChatGPT any question. So let me put this the second question here to this ChatGPT. So let me paste this. I got okay, yes. Then I send. It will also generate a mail. You see, collaboration opportunity, trade finance solution for exporters. So you put the company name here. You put the company name here. I hope this email finds you well. My name is, you put your name. I'm a trade finance. So I'm writing. So you will now go here and edit and put some human touch there so that it will not look as if you are copying ChatGPT point blank. So literally you can ask ChatGPT anything. So this one is not part of the prompt, but let me just ask ChatGPT another question that is not even related to your Exim bank and see what it will answer me. Who is the current football champion in Africa? You send it to give you, okay. As of my last update, the current football champion in Africa is Algeria. They won the African Cup of Nations in 2019. This as of my last update in January 2022, which means the current one, which is 2024, have not been input into the ChatGPT prompt. So then let me twist the question. Who is the winner of the recently concluded African Cup of Nations? So, and I'm unable to provide real-time information as my training only includes data up to January 2022 for most recent winner of the African Cup of Nations. I recommend checking the latest news or sports updates. So which is why we need to update our ChatGPT app whenever the time arises. So the people in the back end, they have already updated the most the when they say you should update it, that is some of the reasons why we are asked to update it, so that the newer version of this ChatGPT now we have the answer to who is the winner of the recently concluded African Cup of Nations. You know, the last update of this ChatGPT is at January 2022. So I believe we have learned one or two things. Please drop your comments. Try and subscribe, and that is the only reason. That is the only time you will be able to be notified when a new video is dropping. So I'll be taking questions in the comment section, and I'll try as much as possible to answer to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much. See you in another video.